Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Financial Literacy, your one-stop channel for understanding the world of economics, personal finance, and more. We're here to illuminate the often murky waters of money matters, equipping you with the knowledge needed to navigate your financial journey with confidence. Our mission is to make financial literacy something everyone can grasp, regardless of their background. So buckle up, because today we delve into a unique topic: 10 experiences that make you dumber. Intrigued? Good. Experience number 1: lack of sleep. Have you ever pulled an all-nighter? Perhaps to meet a deadline or study for an exam and then made a silly mistake the next day? That's your sleep-deprived brain at work. When we don't get enough sleep, our cognitive abilities take a hit. Our concentration wanes, our memory becomes foggy, and our decision-making skills suffer. This can be particularly detrimental when it comes to financial decisions. Imagine making a significant investment or deciding on a budget for your monthly expenses while your brain is operating below par. The chances of making a poor choice skyrocket. Even day-to-day decisions like how much to spend on groceries or whether to eat out can be negatively impacted by lack of sleep. In the long run, these seemingly minor missteps can add up, leading to financial instability. So remember, a well-rested brain is a smart brain. Moving on to experience number 2: unhealthy diet. You are what you eat. And this rings particularly true when it comes to brain function. Consuming an unhealthy diet high in processed foods, saturated fats, and sugar can lead to decreased cognitive function. This is because these types of foods can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can damage brain cells and hinder their ability to communicate effectively. On the flip side, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help support brain health. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that the brain needs to function optimally, including antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. So think twice before reaching for that bag of chips or sugary drink. Instead, opt for a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Remember, your brain is like a high-performance vehicle. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. So feed your brain well and it will serve you well. Experience number 3: lack of physical activity. You might wonder how physical activity has anything to do with your intellectual prowess, right? Well, it's all about brain health. Regular physical activity improves blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and connections. This, in turn, enhances your cognitive function. In layman's terms, it helps you think more clearly and make smarter decisions. This is especially crucial when it comes to managing your finances. A brisk walk or a quick jog might just lead you to a breakthrough in your budgeting struggles. Moreover, physical activity is also known to improve mood and reduce stress, which can cloud judgment and impede rational decision-making. So you're not just working out your body, but your brain as well. It's a 2-for-1 deal that you simply can't pass up. In short, get moving to get smarter. Experience number 4: stress. It's an inevitable part of life, isn't it? But did you know that persistent chronic stress can wear down your brain's cognitive function? It's true, stress, especially the chronic kind, can have a detrimental impact on your decision-making abilities. It can cloud your judgment, make you forgetful, and even impair your problem-solving skills. Imagine your brain as a computer. When too many programs run at once, the system slows down, glitches, or even crashes. Stress acts in a similar way, overloading your brain with too much information and too many demands. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to manage stress effectively. Regular exercise, meditation, a healthy diet, and proper sleep can all help reduce stress levels. So remember, in order to keep your brain in top form, it's crucial to find ways to manage stress effectively. So find ways to manage stress to keep your brain in top form. Experience number 5: multitasking. You might think that juggling several tasks at once makes you more productive. However, the truth of the matter is quite the opposite. Multitasking can actually decrease productivity and impair cognitive function. When we try to do too many things at once, our brain struggles to prioritize and manage all the information. As a result, our attention is divided and we're not able to give our best to any single task. This can lead to mistakes, stress, and even burnout. Furthermore, constant multitasking can have long-term negative effects on our brain's ability to focus and process information. So instead of trying to be a jack of all trades and master of none, why not try focusing on one task at a time? This can improve your productivity, reduce stress, and boost your cognitive function. Focus on one task at a time for optimal brain function. Experience number 6, social isolation. Moving on to another experience that can make you less sharp, let's talk about social isolation. It's not just about feeling lonely. It's about the impact it can have on your cognitive abilities. Humans are social creatures. Our brains thrive on interaction. When we isolate ourselves, our brain lacks the stimulation it needs to stay sharp. Think of it this way. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't exercise it, it starts to weaken. Social interaction is a form of exercise for your brain. Conversations challenge our thinking, helping us form new ideas and perspectives. They make us think on our feet, test our memory, and keep our language skills polished. In contrast, social isolation can lead to cognitive decline. It can cause problems with memory, attention, and even lead to conditions like dementia. So it's clear that staying socially active is vital for maintaining our cognitive abilities. So connect with others to keep your brain sharp. Experience number 7, lack of mental stimulation. Imagine your brain as a muscle just like any other muscle in your body. If you don't use it, you lose it. The same goes for your mind. Without regular mental exercise, your cognitive abilities can start to dwindle. This can manifest in several ways, such as forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, or even feeling mentally foggy. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information, it's easy to become complacent and let our brains go on autopilot. But this lack of mental stimulation can lead to cognitive decline over time. It's crucial to keep learning and challenging your mind. Engage in activities that spark your curiosity, learn a new skill, or try solving a complex problem. Read a book, play a strategy game, or even take up a new hobby. Remember, your brain thrives on challenge and novelty. Feed it with new experiences and knowledge. To sum up, keep learning and challenging your brain. Experience number 8, dehydration. Imagine this. Your brain is roughly 75% water. Now, when you're dehydrated, your brain actually shrinks in volume. This shrinkage is what leads to a decline in cognitive function, impacting short and long-term memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. Think of it like this. Your brain on dehydration is like a car running without enough oil. It's going to chug, splutter, and not operate at its best. Dehydration can also lead to feelings of anger, confusion, and fatigue, further clouding your judgment. So the next time you're making a big decision or you're trying to focus on a complex task, remember to have a glass of water by your side. It's not just your body that benefits from staying hydrated, but your brain, too. Therefore, stay hydrated to stay smart. Experience number 9, negativity. A negative mindset can be a daunting obstacle on the path to cognitive growth. It is like a dark cloud that hovers, obscuring the light of knowledge and wisdom. When we entertain negative thoughts, we're essentially programming our brain to operate on a lower capacity. It is as if we're running a race with a heavy, invisible backpack that slows us down. Negativity can cloud your judgment, making it difficult to see solutions and opportunities. It can also lead to stress and anxiety, which we know are detrimental to our cognitive abilities. Furthermore, negativity can affect our motivation to learn and grow effectively, stunting our intellectual development. Remember, the brain is a powerful tool. It is capable of great things, but it needs the right environment to flourish. So do your best to maintain a positive outlook. Surround yourself with positivity, and let it guide your actions and thoughts. In a nutshell, maintain a positive outlook for a healthy brain. Finally, experience number 10, ignorance of financial literacy. A surprising but crucial factor. Ignorance of financial literacy can lead to a lower quality of life. Imagine navigating a ship without a compass or cooking a gourmet meal without a recipe. That's what managing your finances without financial literacy is like. Without understanding concepts such as budgeting, investing, and debt management, you're at risk of making poor financial decisions. These could range from overspending on credit cards to investing in risky ventures without understanding the potential pitfalls. This lack of knowledge can lead to financial stress, debt, and even bankruptcy. Moreover, financial illiteracy can impact your quality of life. It can prevent you from achieving financial freedom, buying your dream home, or retiring comfortably. It's like stumbling in the dark, trying to find your way to a destination you're not even sure of. So empower yourself with financial literacy to make smart decisions. And there you have it. 10 experiences that make you dumber, from lack of sleep to ignorance of financial literacy. These experiences can indeed dull our cognitive function, but by being aware and proactive, practicing healthier habits, we can keep our minds sharp and agile. Remember to subscribe to Financial Literacy for more insightful videos like this. Until next time, stay smart and financially savvy.